Hello, I'm Betty Long, District Director for District 19 with Toastmasters International. I'm back as promised to share with you another exciting opportunity that's available in District 19. Los Oradores is a bilingual club in the Des Moines area. If you are a Spanish-speaking person wanting to improve your English-speaking skills, this very likely could be the place for you. If you are an English-speaking person wanting to improve your Spanish skills, what a perfect place to think about doing that. And if you are a person with a third language, come on in. It's a perfect place to get that English speaking upgraded. We have people visiting from Chile, from Guatemala, from India, and from Spain. Now, why would this be a good thing for you to do? Well, the meeting is conducted in Spanish and English. So the perfect opportunity to practice both languages. Recently, Los Oradores hosted a virtual open house and connected it to celebrating their 30th anniversary. Wow. And they provided refreshments. Now, how, might you ask, on a virtual meeting, did they provide refreshments? A member suggested that they go to a local bakery, make arrangements for members to stop by and pick up a favorite cupcake and a small bag of confetti. They hosted their meeting, and at the conclusion of their meeting, they all threw their confetti up in the air and they ate cupcakes and conversed with each other, again, catching up. If you are a member who has stepped away from Toastmasters and wanting to come back but not sure where or how you're going to do that, consider visiting Los Oradores. It will provide you with a very different experience. If you are not a member, but you want to improve your English speaking skills, Los Oradores may be a club for you to visit. It may be a very good match for you. I hope that you will join us again in 2 weeks to find out about other exciting opportunities that are out there waiting for you in District 19.